Guys, Sui scored a pretty big partnership with a major financial firm, Franklin Templeton. That's right. And it's an ecosystem partnership. So this might actually, unlike the other partnerships, actually have an effect on the price. The asset manager will support builders on Sui and pilot emerging blockchain technologies on the network. Asset manager Franklin Templeton has partnered with Sui to develop new blockchain technologies and use cases on the Layer 1 network. Sui said November 22nd, the partnership will prioritize supporting Sui ecosystem builders and deploying novel technologies leveraging the Sui blockchain protocol. So this is different. They want to support ecosystem builders being protocols, and they want to develop new technology on the network. Now, Sui does have a lot of developers. Probably some of them are developing DeFi protocols. Sponsoring that will actually have a big effect, hopefully, on TVL, which is already building on Sui. That should be more effectual than these random industrial partnerships. While the announcement did not detail specific plans for the partnership, expected, Franklin Templeton's emerging role in the blockchain space is significant. Now, I think they are one of the ones that are doing an ETF. So they're pretty bullish on crypto. They launched its flagship tokenized money market fund, Franklin On-Chain U.S. Government Money Fund, on the Aptos network. Less than a month later, it launched FOBXX on Coinbase's Layer 2 base. And I think they're going to launch a lot of those projects on Sui now, since they partnered on Sui, and that does get more activity on the chain. But there are no more details right now. Of course, Sui does rapid smart contract deployment. They're also fairly fast. They did have a kind of a little whoopsie yesterday. And if they're going to be working with Franklin Templeton and have these funds on their chain, they're going to have to fix some of that. No more integer overflows on their nodes. But this news should actually boost them up at least a little bit. And it does actually bode well for future on-chain development, which is critical to coin success. They are Franklin Templeton, obviously very, very big firm. They have a lot of financial products, a lot of ETFs, a lot of funds that they could actually tokenize and put on whatever blockchain. And with this partnership, it is more likely that they're going to go on the Sui blockchain. Now, I don't know if that really gets people to lock in more TVL, but at least they'll get more mainstream financial use for Sui. And hopefully that it just attracts more people to actually dabble in their DeFi as well. And plus, like I said, they are supporting the Sui builders to build these DeFi protocols and build these technologies. So that should actually, the big money and the big partnerships should attract some mainstream investors into Sui. So maybe if you look at Sui's graph, obviously it hasn't been killing it lately today or anything, but I think we're missing the long-term view on Sui. If you look at the yearly graph, it's up, 529%. So in this bull run, it is still doing extremely well. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.